Here, smile.
Yeah.
Here we go, downhill. Woo! Whoa! Woo!
Mom, you're pulling too fast out. It's my ankle.
Okay, don't pedal. Keep your feet still, toes. Oh, injury! Graham, you okay?
I wasn't pedaling, I was just letting my feet go around.
Where are the Sullivans? They're behind us.
We gotta gain speed, we're going up a hill. You gotta start pedaling.
Oh! Too fast. Graham, that's too fast. Ow! Smashed my knee into the side of the bike. There they are.
Yeah!
They're gaining on us.
Gain on them.
We're gonna go. We got it. Oh, here's another one.
Stay on the side.
Stay on the side. Oh, look how tired Tom is. Ice cream!
Yeah! Hold drink. I know. Straight or to left?
Let's stop for a second.